Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. So a lot of people have been asking us, hey, you guys done a lot of builds, but you haven't electrified a Recumbent yet. So today is the day that this Bafang Mid Drive it goes to its new home. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here riding it now. This Recumbent is so much fun to ride. Of all the builds that we've done in Golden Motor, I can't believe this is our first Recumbent. I know it's a small sample size, but I feel like this is more fun than a regular bike. So the beauty of the Bafang Mid Drive is that you're still using your gearing and you can use pedal assist. So if you want to still get that workout in, you can put it on pedal assist 1 and just pedal away and the motor will just kick on barely. Or if you just want to go for a fast ride, just put it on the pedal assist 9, just throttle up and you are going much faster now. So one of the biggest myths that people have is that if you have a electric motor on your bike or if you have a pre-built electric bike, you're lazy and out of shape. But it's the biggest myth. Most of my customers, they've had a bike in their garage or Recumbent just sitting there, and once they put electric motor on there, they are spending much more time outside, they're exercising more, and then the beauty of the Bafang is you can dictate how much exercise you want to do. So if you're out of shape or if you're rehabbing for an injury, this is the best way to get back in shape. So I feel like, man, everybody should have a Bafang on their bike. It adds a little bit of weight. Yeah, that's the downside. You put a motor on any bike, it's gonna make it a little bit heavier. But hey, man, like if you want to enjoy the outdoors, best way is to put a mid-drive motor on your bike and guys, hope you guys enjoyed the build video. Honestly, one of the easiest bikes that I've ever done. If you guys need help converting your Recumbent or any bike into electric, let us know. If you guys enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. And now I'm gonna go ride into the sunset.